Hello everyone, welcome to Cloud Patashala video series where the mysteries of Linux and various cloud technologies are unlocked and the secrets of its commands revealed to you. So let's embark on a thrilling journey wherein we would be discussing uptime. It is used to find out how long the system is active, running. This command returns set of values that involve the current time and the amount of time system is in the running state, the number of users currently logged in, and the load time from the past 1, 5 and 15 minutes respectively. The options include -p, which would give you a pretty output or a formatted output of this. -h would give you the help display output. -s would give you time up since the system was up, and -v would give you the version of it. I'll quickly type the command uptime to see what outputs we are getting on this system. So if you see, the uptime is about 42 minutes. The local time on the server is 7:51:24, that is 7 hours 51 minutes 24 seconds. The number of users that are logged into this server is 1, and the load average for this is 0.02 for the last 5 minutes, and for the last 15 minutes it is 0.10. So that means the load average is very minimal because I'm not performing any other operations on the server and just using it for the purpose of the tutorials. So this is the uptime command. This would give you a very detailed understanding of how much time the system has been up by using this parameter. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this short and quick video. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, request you to hit the subscribe button, which would encourage us to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep having a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.